I lost 6 months of growth on YouTube because of 4 tiny settings in the YouTube studio that I had been skipping on every single upload without even knowing it. I was carefully observing my studio dashboard and I noticed that these tiny settings has been off. I call them tiny settings because I never knew these settings can actually slow down my video performance entirely. It's not your tags. It's not your description. These are settings right inside YouTube Studio that act as direct signals to the algorithm. Signals that tell YouTube exactly what your channel is about and exactly who should be watching your videos. Without fixing these 4 settings correctly, YouTube cannot categorize your content, cannot identify your audience, and might end up not promoting your videos. So before you upload your next video, watch this particular video till the end and follow it step by step, because I'll be showing you exactly where to find these 4 hidden settings in your YouTube Studio dashboard using your mobile phone, even if you don't have a laptop, and also how to set up these settings. In fact, the 3rd and the 4th settings will shock you to know you have been doing it wrong all along. So let's fix your channel right now for your videos to start getting recommended. So what I want you to do right now is to open your Chrome browser and type in studio.youtube.com. Now here is a vital part. Click on Continue to Studio, or you can tap these 3 dots on the right hand side of your screen here. Scroll down and click on Desktop Sites. It will take you to your professional dashboard. You are now inside a professional desktop version of YouTube. This is where we will trigger the algorithm. This is your back-end site. Whatever changes you want to make, whatever you want to add, you do it here in your back end. So the first settings we are going to fix is your channel's GPS settings or keywords. So first, go to Settings at the bottom here and click on it. Then click on Channel. Now look at your keywords. If this box here is empty, the algorithm is completely blind to your channel. This space here is not supposed to be empty. It is meant to be filled up. These keywords are not optional. They are the GPS that coordinates your content. So you need to put your niche here. For instance, if you are a tutorial creator here on YouTube, you will type in YouTube growth, mobile tutorials, and your channel name, something like this. If you don't define your niche here, YouTube cannot recommend what it cannot categorize. Now, the second settings is the Feature Eligibility tab. So let's move over to Feature Eligibility here, still under Channel. Now, if these 3 boxes here are not tick green like this and enabled, just the way you are seeing here, YouTube has not fully verified your channel. And a channel that YouTube doesn't trust is a channel YouTube won't promote. You need the standard, intermediate, and advanced features active to unlock custom thumbnails, go live on your channel, and get eligible for monetization. If you don't have this on, your videos won't stand a chance in the competitive search feed. So you have to verify your channel by providing your correct phone number, face verification, or your channel stay invisible. Now, let's go over to the 3rd setting. This setting will shock you because this is where a lot of creators get it wrong and make their videos to get stuck. So which settings am I talking about? Now go to Settings again and click on Upload Defaults here. Next, click on Advanced Settings. Now look at your category here. Most struggling channels today are sitting in People and Blogs category. The default setting YouTube never asks you to change. See, if you are teaching people, like your content is about teaching people how to do this or how to do that kind of content, your category must be changed to education or how to and style. To be sincere, this one click alone tells YouTube to stop showing your videos to random people
and start showing it to people who are actually interested in your kind of content and looking for your help. This is a complete game changer for your reach. Now, the fourth setting is the SEO transcription trigger.
So scroll down to video language, title and description language here, still under advanced settings. Now, if this language is not set, like you have not chosen any language here, you are confusing the algorithm. Should they show your videos to French-speaking people or to Spanish-speaking countries? That is the more reason you need to be specific and choose a language. So click here and it will show you list of languages to select from. So select and set this to your primary language immediately, as this will allow YouTube to automatically transcribe your video, turning your words into searchable data.
So this is how you will start showing up in search results and finally get those views you've been working so hard for. Fixing these 4 settings takes less than 2 minutes, but it can change the life of your channel. Remember, you have put in the hard work already and you have not been getting results. Now let the changes you made in your settings do the rest of the job for you. So if you want to see exactly how these settings impacted my own most viral video, check out this tutorial on the screen right now. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creator secrets like this. Like and share this video. I'll see you in my next one.